Do you still think photos can't move? Well, think again. In this video, I'll teach you how to animate your images in Canva in just a few steps. Watch how I add movement to balloons, a dog, and a cute little boy. Now let's get started. So guys, once you're logged into your Canva account, you're going to go to the bottom, create a blank video. And once that is pulled up, we're going to go to uploads on the left, and we're going to use this picture here. Okay, we're going to drag it to the corner of our canvas page all the way out. So this is a still photo. So this is what you call a still photo, guys. So guys, the next thing we want to do is go to edit, and we're going to go to magic grab, and we're going to grab some of these balloons. Okay, so we'll click on this one and this one and this one and this one. Okay, we're going to leave the ones at the bottom as is. So we're going to grab it. It'll take a few seconds. Okay, so the next thing guys want to do is go to the top, because these are the ones that we grab. Go to animate, and we're just going to select something from the animation that will fit this particular photo to bring it to life. Okay, let's see what breathe does. Okay, so breathe brings it forward. Okay, let's see what this one does. Okay, let's see what drift does. Okay, let's see what tumble. Okay, we definitely don't want to do tumble. Okay, let's go down at the bottom. Let's do. Okay, photo. Okay, guys, I think I like this one the best. Okay, and so guys, what you would do is just play, hit the play button at the bottom, and this would bring your still photo to life. Then you can go to share. You can download it as MP4 video and save it to whatever you choose to. So guys, we're going to do another one. Okay, we're going to go to elements, and we're going to type in a dog that's jumping. Okay, and we're going to make sure we click on photos, because this video is about turning a still photo into animation. Okay, let's find a dog that is jumping, that is cute. Okay, so let's go with this one right here. Let's put it on our canvas page, and let's drag it all the way out. Okay, let's try to get that. I'm gonna go back and get that ball. Okay guys, so next thing you want to do is go to edit again, and we're going to go right back to magic grab, and we're going to grab this dog. Okay, we're going to wait a few seconds again to grab the dog. Okay, and then we're going to make this dog smaller. So I want this, we're going to bring, because I want to make sure that this ball is in the picture. Okay, so we're going to click on this picture again, because what I want to do is bring down this green ball. So next we're going to go to edit and then magic grab. Okay guys, we're going to click on the green ball, then click grab, and we're going to wait a few seconds and let it do its thing. Okay guys, the next thing we want to do is just bring the green ball down some. Okay, I'm going to adjust the dog a little bit, and we're going to move up this ball. Okay guys, let's go back to animate. I want to make sure the dog is animated. Just scroll back down. All right, so guys, now I'm going to rewind it to the beginning and then press play. So guys, this looks pretty good to me. Okay guys, we're gonna do one more. We're gonna do a live person. So under elements, we're gonna type in boy in a superhero outfit. Okay, then guys, we're gonna click on photos and scroll down to I see something cute. So guys, I'm going to use this picture right here, a really cute kid. Just gonna drag the still photo again. Make sure you pick my canvas page. Okay. All right. Okay, guys. So next thing we're gonna do again, go back to edit, and we're gonna grab this little boy. Okay. And we're gonna click on grab once that's done. All right. We're waiting a few seconds for it to grab it. Okay. We see that it grabbed him. All right. And so we're going to go to Animate. And let's see, let's find something for him. So we know we don't want brush. Let's see. I think I like breathe for him. Okay. So let's put him in the center. Make him a little smaller. Try to center him. Okay, guys, we're going to drag him out just a little bit. All right. All right, and then I'm going to just rewind it just to his portion. And guys, you can always go back and delete these. Real simple. Okay. So I'm going to press play. And that looks really good to me. Looks cute to me. You can always adjust it, again. And press play. So guys, you see how simple this is? Now you can transform any still photo into a dynamic animation with just a few clicks. So guys, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until the next time, thrive with Darlette.